Hygienic design in food facilities is a fortress against contamination, shielding products from both external and internal hazards. By controlling the flow of people, products, and waste, we create a bulwark against cross-contamination and sabotage, ensuring food safety through strategic barrier and checkpoints. Elevating plants above ground level and minimizing loading docks are just the start. To keep pests away, food facilities employ air curtains, automatic doors, and UV light traps. Ensures that even the tiniest intruders are detaered or dispatched without compromising product safety. Materials/matter. In a hygienic food facility, every surface must be smooth, non-absorbent, and easy to clean. From superior quality construction materials to epoxy coatings in high moisture areas, every detail is designed to prevent contamination and ensure durability against the rigors of food processing. Utility piping is a silent hero in hygienic design. By integrating pipes into walls or ceilings or using open racks, we can avoid dirt accumulation and ensure easy access for cleaning. With 0 to no dead legs and vertical tapping preferred, the design is as logical as it is cleanable. Hygienic design extends to electricals, with transfer panels and enclosed components ensuring that connections between processing units are contamination-free. Lighting is strategically placed to facilitate inspection and cleaning, avoiding shadows and glare. Finally, a balanced air supply and exhaust system is crucial. It removes unwanted elements like heat and odors while preventing the intrusion of unfiltered air, maintaining the pristine environment necessary for food safety.